What is going on, everyone? This is Raphael from Self-Made Profits. And if you're looking for a way to earn some extra income from home, you want to start getting paid working from home, you've come to the right place. Today I'll be going over a job that you can do from home where you're getting paid hourly and you have some flexibility. And all you need to do is be able to type, be able to listen, and you should be able to make it work, okay? Before I go ahead and do that, guys, every day I like to go ahead and bring out these kind of videos to you. So please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that way you don't miss any of the videos that I bring out, okay? Also click that notification bell, and if you enjoy this content, leave a like. Now with this job here, you want to go to Google and you're gonna put in flexibility. All right, and once it's come up here, you just click here where it says flexibility. And flexibility is pretty much a healthcare type company, okay? So you're gonna be working with healthcare. All right, and they have a lot of different services that they offer. All right, so the first service that they offer here, as you can see, they have some job openings. The first service they offer is medical billing. They offer transcription services, electronic health records, debt collection service, dictation systems and software, smartphone based dictation software, appointment reminder service, and medical coding service. So not only that you can get paid for being a transcriptionist, which is the position I'm going to show you, but you can get paid doing these other positions if you are certified in them, okay? Now, to be a transcriptionist, you won't need to be certified in it. Of course, some experiences may be required, but if you don't have none, don't worry. Just go ahead and still apply for it. You should be able to get the position, okay? Now, for the transcription position, all you would be doing is basically listening to audio, and you would be go ahead and deciphering what's being said on audio. You'll go ahead and type it out, and then once you've typed out the work, you send it over to them. They get the work and they go ahead and pay you out for your time. Okay, so basically you'll be working at home. You can work in your office, wherever. It won't be too much typing, but you will be doing some typing. Okay, you'll be doing some typing, some proofing and editing skills also is required. All right. So this is a pretty good opportunity. As you can see, this is the medical transcriptionist position here. All you would be doing is basically clicking this button here. You'll post your resume, and then they will go ahead and get in contact with you. Okay, so this is a pretty good company. They actually have their address here, so you can give them a call also if you want to, and be able to talk to them. All right, so like I said, they need people like this because sometimes they need their work typed out instead of on audio, so they need people to go ahead and decipher what's being said on audio, so that way they can go ahead and have their work typed out for them. All right, so if you guys like this position, make sure you come here, go to Google, put in flexibility, then go to career, and come down here to the medical transcriptionist position and post your resume. Also, like I said before, you can work as a medical coding and billing. Of course, you're going to need a certificate for that, which is not hard to get. You can quickly go to school for it, or either take the test for it. And once you become certified, you'll be able to work medical billing and coding from home. And that is another way to have more flexibility, of course, is to be able to do these type of positions from home, okay? So you can do all these kind of positions. You can also do appointment reminder service. Okay, I believe you don't need no certification for that, or debt collection service where you're calling people to collect debt on their insurance, on any money that they owe. So you can do that also. Okay. Now, like I said, guys, every day I like to bring these kind of videos so that way you will learn about the next good gig out there that you may want to start. So please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel, click that notification bell. That way you always stay notified. Okay. With that being said, guys, stay blessed and become self-made today.